So we know that those pieces of evidence are opinions. Which pieces of evidence will allow us to compare the temperature of one place to the temperature of another? Our evidence in green doesn't have any temperatures, but the evidence in pink has two different temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit. That makes me able to compare what it must be like in each of those places. We want to answer the question, which island's weather is most like the weather where orangutans live? But before we do this, we have to look at and evaluate the evidence sent to us by the Wildlife Protection Organization. We must decide whether it is strong or weak evidence. Open your Sky notebook to page 12. You're going to read the evidence cards on the next few slides and organize the evidence by writing the card numbers in the table. Let's look through the pieces of evidence together. Once you've found your pieces of evidence, you'll go back and answer questions A and B on worksheet page 12. Evidence card 1. Ark Island temperature on one day, 96 degrees Fahrenheit. If you think this is strong evidence about the climate on Ark Island, write it in the box that says strong evidence. You don't have to write the evidence, you just have to write the card number. Evidence card 2. Ark Island temperature on one day, it was hot. If you think that's strong evidence, write the card number 2 in the box that says strong evidence. If you think it's weak evidence, write it in the card that says weak evidence box. Thinking about what I know about the temperature that we're looking for, I would probably make evidence card 1 strong evidence because it has degrees Fahrenheit and I know I can compare. And I would probably make evidence card 2 weak evidence because it's really someone's opinion whether that feels hot or not. And I can't compare hot, I can compare degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to read the rest of the evidence cards, and you're going to write your card numbers in the boxes for strong or weak evidence. Evidence card 3. Ark Island precipitation on one day. There was a little rain. Evidence card 4. Blue Island temperature on one day, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, you can pause the video if you need to think about the evidence. Evidence card 5. Blue Island precipitation on one day. The rain filled 2 bowls. Evidence card 6. Blue Island precipitation on one day. It was raining. Evidence card 7. Creek Island precipitation on one day. 20 millimeters rainfall. Evidence card 8. Creek Island temperature on one day. An ice cube melted when it was left outside. Evidence card 9. Creek Island precipitation on one day. The rain filled 3 mugs. Evidence card 10. Creek Island precipitation on one day. There was a lot of rain. Evidence card 11. Blue Island precipitation on one day. 38 millimeters rainfall. Evidence card 12. Creek Island temperature on one day. 86 degrees Fahrenheit.